Hi everyone. In this video, we show you how to use Weidian in English. So first of all, what you need to do is open up the web browser in your mobile device. Now, you need to search for Weidian in the search bar. After that, what you need to do is open up the Weidian official website. Once you get into its official site, you need to tap on the AA icon from the corner of the search bar. Now, from here, tap on the Translate to English option. After that, your website will be translated into English. Then, click on the menu icon from the top left corner. You will find so many options like Microstore Mall version, New Retail and Microstore, Microstore Chain version, Microstore Smart Store. From the menu, you will find all of your required options. Thanks everybody for watching. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Goodbye.